This vehicle got towed in over the weekend, and you'll see for what. Basically, this guy's a little bit over his oil change recommended mileage. Get a video of this. Before I start it, get up here and look at the sticker. So show the sticker, which is the recommended mileage. It's what, 43,000?
43,314.
Now just show the dash, the mileage on there.
Oh, 73,326.
Yeah. So this one's 30,000 miles over the oil change. And this is what happens. So it's $70 for an oil change or $7,000 for an engine replacement. I mean, I'd probably choose the $70 oil change, but we'll happily do both.